In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find competitor keywords in Ubersuggest for 2025, step by step. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just dipping your toes into the world of SEO, understanding your competitors is crucial for staying ahead in the game. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to Ubersuggest, a fantastic tool created by Neil Patel, which is specifically designed to help you uncover valuable keyword data. To get started, go to the website by typing in neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest in your browser and logging into your account. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. Once logged in, you'll be all set to explore the insights Ubersuggest offers. Next, you will enter your competitor's website URL in the search bar on the Ubersuggest dashboard. Consider using a well-established site in your niche, like whos.com, to see what strategies they might be employing. Type the URL into the designated area and then click on the search button. This will initiate a comprehensive scan of the website, pulling up crucial SEO details for you to examine. Now direct your attention to the section labeled Traffic Analyzer on the left-hand side and select organic keywords. Here, you'll discover a treasure trove of information about the keywords your competitor ranks for. Alongside each keyword, you'll find the search volume, which signifies the number of times people are searching for that keyword monthly. You'll also be able to see the SEO difficulty, which gives you an idea of how competitive each keyword is and the amount of traffic these keywords are driving to your competitor's site. This data is crucial for informed decision-making when plotting your SEO strategy. After you've explored the organic keywords, it's time to see which pages are performing best for your competitors. Head over to the Top Pages section. This will reveal which specific pages on your competitor's website are attracting the most traffic, and critically, which keywords are driving that traffic. Understanding these details will help you pinpoint content opportunities and gaps in your own website strategy. Finally, you have the option to export all this invaluable information for further analysis. Click the Export to CSV button, available on each section you're exploring. This will download a file to your computer, allowing you to sift through the data offline and incorporate it into your broader marketing plan. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to finding and leveraging competitor keywords using Ubersuggest. Armed with this knowledge, you can refine your content, enhance your SEO strategy, and stay competitive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Thank you for joining me today, and happy keyword hunting.